Now we are going to learn about the vitamin. Now we are going to learn about the vitamin. Right. Firstly, I want to tell, right now tell me, is vitamin organic or inorganic compound? Is vitamin organic or inorganic compound? Organic or inorganic? You must keep remember, vitamin is the organic compound. Vitamin is the organic compounds. Right. Now tell me, why vitamin is considered as the organic compounds? Why vitamin is considered as organic compounds? Why? Because it contains carbon. No, at the beginning of the lesson, chemical compounds, we have divided into the two groups as organic compounds and inorganic compounds. No, organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Organic compounds mean chemical compounds which contain carbon. So what do you mean by inorganic compounds? Chemical compounds which do not contain carbon. No, chemical compounds which do not contain carbon is known as inorganic compound. Then we go organic compounds. Right now, when we consider about the vitamin, vitamin contain the carbon. Therefore, vitamin is considered as the organic compounds. Right. Another point you must learn under the vitamin is help for biochemical reaction. Biochemical reaction. You already know there are some chemical reaction in our body, no? Right. This chemical reaction normally known as biochemical reaction. Biochemical reaction. Right. Vitamin is the organic compound which helps for the biochemical reaction. Right. Then I am going to explain how to classify the vitamins. Right. What are the examples for the vitamin as you know? What are the examples for the vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, E, F, G, H, M, is that the vitamin? A, right. A, B, C, D, E, right? And then vitamin K, no? Right. These vitamin can be classified into the main two groups. Right, those vitamin can be classified into the main two groups. How to classify? Tell me, as you know, how to classify the vitamins? A, B, C, D, E and K vitamin. How to classify? Can be divided into the main two groups. These vitamins can be classified according to the solubility of water. Solubility of water. Right. Some vitamins are soluble in water while some vitamins are not soluble in water. Therefore, vitamin can be classified like that. Water soluble vitamin and right. So what is the next one? Water insoluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins and water insoluble vitamins. You must keep remember. Right now we have divided vitamins into the main two groups. No? What are the main two groups? We have divided the vitamins. Water soluble vitamins and water insoluble vitamins. No? Right. What are the examples for the water soluble vitamins? What are the examples for the water soluble vitamins? vitamin B and vitamin C are the examples for the water soluble vitamin. Are the examples for the water soluble vitamin. Right. So what are the examples for the water insoluble vitamin? Vitamin A, then vitamin C, next one vitamin D, next one, sorry, C cannot be taken, vitamin A, D, vitamin E, next one vitamin K are the examples for the water soluble vitamin. Another point you must keep remember is, right, water insoluble are soluble in the fat, therefore it is known as fat soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamin. Right, now I have explained the vitamin. No, under the vitamin you learned about vitamin is the organic compound. Vitamin is the organic compound. And then you learned about vitamin helps for the biochemical reaction. And then you learned about how to classify the vitamin. No, how to classify the vitamin. Vitamins can be divided into the main two groups as water soluble vitamin and water insoluble vitamin. No, right. So what are the examples for the water soluble vitamins? Vitamin B, vitamin C are the examples for the water insoluble vitamins. So what are the examples for the water insoluble vitamin? Right. Now water soluble. Sorry, where are the namagat? What are the examples for the water insoluble vitamins? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are the water insoluble vitamin, but they are soluble in fat. Therefore, these vitamins are known as fat soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamin. Right. And also, right, vitamin also should be present in our body correct proportion. අපේ ශරීරය තුල විටමින් අවශ්‍ය ප්‍රමාණයට තියෙන්න ඕන. අවශ්‍ය ප්‍රමාණයට තිබුණ නැත්නම් මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? If not present in the correct proportion in our body, what will happen? Deficiency symptoms can be observed. නේද? ඌනතා ලක්ෂණ දකින්න පුළුවන්. Right, now we are going to learn about the what are the deficiency symptoms of the each types of the vitamin. Right, අපි එන යමු බලන්න